Hello guys, this is Winnie Rogers DIY. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, it's great to have you here. Kindly subscribe down below, it's free. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today I want to show you those beautiful pieces that you've just seen. And this one is cement. I'm going to begin with the cement and water. I'm going to mix them together. And I'm using just the normal cement. I'll start the mixture. I'm just using the normal cement. Yeah. I want it to be a little heavy so that it will dry faster or it will cure faster. And then I'll transfer it into this bottle and then I'll inflate my balloons. I'll begin with this one. This is the biggest one. And then I'll pour the mixture inside this balloon. And I'll do this to 3 balloons. I want to make 3 vases. So this is the biggest one and then 2 small ones after this. And then I'll tie it. The next thing I'll do is to just shake it like this so that the cement will go all around. And I'll do it to these 3 different sizes of balloons. I'll keep on doing these for like 2 hours and then I'll leave them to settle like this for 24 hours. The next thing I'll do is to cut the balloon. And if you're doing this, you need to be gentle with this now because it's still not that strong. And here are my 3 pieces of different sizes. The next thing I'll do is to make a hole on top of these pieces now, these vases. And I'll use a sandpaper. I'll sand up here slowly, just gently. And then there's a small hole there, that's what I need. I'll mix again cement with water and then I pour it inside through that hole because I want it to be a bit strong. Then I will stir it a little. I'll stir it until the cement goes again inside, like all around. I'll do it this way from side to side. And the next thing now I'll do after 24 hours, after they have dried up, I'll take my acrylic paint. You can use acrylic paint or any paint of your choice, like oil paint, but then I used acrylic because it dries faster. I'll begin with white as a base coat. And then the next one will be my first coat, which is green. My green paint now, I'll begin with the first coat. And then after that, I'll do the second coat. And kindly guys, I'm just reminding you, please don't forget to subscribe again. It's absolutely free. Kindly subscribe for more videos that are yet to come. Okay, it's free. After this, I'll use clear varnish now to make it look kind of shiny. Yes, this is it now. My clear varnish. This one you can get from any hardware around, even the paints also. This is the final look. They're nice. I'm happy with the outcome, guys. So I hope you've learned something. And I hope you will stick around so that we can learn more and more together. So thank you so much, guys, and have a nice day. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.